Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your Baseus J52 earbuds with iPhone. First of all, you have to remember to charge this charging case and the earbuds inside at least to the 50%. Next, you have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. As you can see, the right one is blinking blue and the red. It means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. So right now all we have to do, it's very simple. Open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, turn it on, and select J52 from the list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.